Welcome everybody. I am Srinish from C61 Rajendran Academy for Learning. Now I am going to make a magnetic toy. For the magnetic toy, the materials are a box, scissors, Fevicol gum, a pair of tires, a sellotape, small 1 rupee coin, a magnet. Now we can start making a magnetic car. Now take the box and fix the tires here like this. Now I fixed the wheel. Now open the box here. Take the coin and fix here with the help of sellotape. Then again close the box. Now take the magnet. Now the magnetic toy car was ready. Thank you.